Hey, welcome back, guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers out there. Welcome back to 164 scale racing again. Picked up another older 5-pack. Picked it up from a guy named Poncho's DIECAST. That's Poncho's _ DIECAST. Got a YouTube channel. Sells a lot of Hot Wheels and buys a few. Check him out, please. But I wanted to show you this old 5-pack I picked up from him. It's California Dreaming. It was released in 1997. Thought it was pretty neat. Let's open her up. First up, we got a Mazda Miata MX-5. Got a surf runner on the side. Got a big old wave on the side. Anyway, that's the Mazda Miata. Next up, we got a Mercedes-Benz. That's the Mercedes-Benz. Next up, we got a Dodge Viper RT10. See, Hot Wheels didn't put much detail in them back then. Next up, we got a BMW 850i. Klausner tuning. But anyway, that's the BMW 850i. And last, we got a 59 Caddy. 59 big old long Cadillac. Big old chrome grill on the front of it. It looks like it got some gold wheels. Low rider. And then big old fins on the back. That is the 59 Caddy. And that is the California Dreaming gift pack. Figured I'd show it to you. Like I said, check out Poncho's DIECAST YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.